Hey everyone, yeah, we're going to a car show they're having over here at Walmart in Falcon. So we're gonna go check it out, and yeah, hopefully it'll be pretty good. See what happens. Great, man. It's a pretty good turnout. Looks pretty good. It's yours?
Yeah.
Nice, man. Really nice. Yeah.
What do you think?
I like it. Wow. I brought mine 32. Yeah.
Yeah, see their stuff.
Wow, man.
You've never seen this before.
No, you said they were
I've been working
fixing
on
it up or something.
I've
Yeah.
been working on it.
I like it, man.
I thought I detailed this, but God, it takes a long time to detail.
Oh, it looks good. Well, pay for this. I remember you telling me,
I
but
paid $38,000 for it. And
38.
I've got almost 60 in it so far.
yeah, it gets
Because
expensive.
I do it the way I want to do it.
Right. Yeah. It's nice though.
Well,
I
I've
like
been working.
it, man.
I'll tell you, I've been working, and I've got some problems right now.
What
I'm going to take it over to Robbie.
it looks good though.
My gas gauge on my gas,
Yeah.
for my fuel, it wants to work half the time and
Oh, it's probably the float in the tank.
I don't know what it is.
It's probably got to be adjusted or something.
Gee,
You got to come over. I got more die-cast cars.
where are you getting your die cam?
I just find them online or at the flea market. See you later, man. All right, let me show you guys what I did with the pump I restored. I finally got all the parts. I made this handle. Actually had a round piece of dowel that was like 1 inch in diameter, and I drilled the hole here, and I had a harbor or something. I screwed it in here and then put it in my drill press, and then I took real coarse sandpaper and I just shaped it, and it came out really good, you know. So, and then I took some motor oil that was dirty and I put it all over the wood so it looked old, because this handle was missing. And also I ordered this hose. It's a 1 inch gas hose. I got that. I also ordered this banana nozzle. They make these aftermarket. You know, it's like a replica of the original. And it's all brass. So I actually sanded it all down and polished it on my buffing machine. And it came out really nice. And I also ordered some, decals over here. I put this on. I researched it, and this was around the same era of when this pump was manufactured. So yeah, I did that, and yeah, I just want to show you guys, man. It looks really good now and stuff. Pretty cool. And all right, hope you enjoyed the videos and stuff, and keep liking everything, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. You guys take care.
That's good.